I invite you to rest. To begin, close your eyes. Let your hands fall loosely to the side. If you're sitting or lying down, let Mother Earth take all your weight and burdens away. Rest deeply into Mother Earth. Allow your breath to nurture you as it has been nurturing you from your first moment of birth. Becoming aware of breath is like becoming aware of your original help, assistance, and divine love that was allocated to you on earth by Divine Mother. In your closed eyes, with your inner eye open, imagine lying in the lap of Divine Mother, divine intelligence, divine consciousness. Let the stars in your imagination sing you a lullaby. Let the moon rock you and nourish you. Let the rays of the rising sun in your imagination keep you warm. Let the divine celestial waves of wind, along with divine wind chimes, caress your ears. All parts of you are resting. You deserve to rest. A resting being is one with divine consciousness that is restful, serene, and ever beautiful. Bring both your hands on your heart. You can allow that smile to come through your face. Open your eyes wide. There will be renewed joy and excitement. That tiny moment of rest has done wonders for you. You've returned as a gift to our planet. Thank you for resting.